In this quick video, I want to show you how to use the Meguiars Headlight coating that you can get off of Amazon to protect your plastic headlights on your modern vehicle. And I'm going to put a link in the comment section where you can get this. It's about 20 bucks, but it's well worth it. Scotty Kilmer here on YouTube recommends it, and he recommends applying it at least once a year. And I want to show you exactly how he does it to get the ultimate protection for your headlights. Now, you do want to remove the oxidation from your headlight cover. You can use different products. There's 3M. I used one called the Rain X that you get for 10 bucks off of Amazon. I'll put a link to the video on how to apply that. But before applying the UV coating protection called Meguiars, you want to make sure you get all the haze and the oxidation off of it, because then you'd be putting your clear coating over dirt, and you want it to be clear as possible. So I've already applied the Rain X and did get most of the oxidation off, if not all of it, but that was a few days ago. So I want to make sure I wash it first. And what you want to do is use soap and water. Go ahead and wash your headlamps off, and then dry it, and then we'll put the coat on. We'll put it on once, and then we'll let it dry for about 20 minutes. We'll come back and we'll reapply the Meguiars twice, and that should be good for a year. Now, they used to make headlights with they used to make them with glass, so they lasted a lot longer. Now with these plastics, they warp from the UV, from the sunlight over time, and it's not fun. All right, make sure I dry it real well. And then you want to protect your paint. You could use painter's tape, which is the blue kind of tape that you use on walls for paints. All right, let's go ahead and spray our Meguiars. All right, we're going to let that sit, and then we're going to come back in about 20 minutes, and we're going to go ahead and spray it again. Okay, I sprayed it 20 minutes ago. Now I'm going to respray it one more time, and that will be the finishing spray. All right, and that should be good for a year. And a year from now, I will re-clean it and then put the headlight coating on again. Again, I'll put a link in the comment section off of Amazon where you can get this, Meguiars. And very much enjoyed the application, and it looks really good. Hopefully it'll look that good from a year now. All right, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.